have a hobby. I like football. I play football every week. I play football every week. I play with my team. I like my hobby. She has a hobby. She likes reading. She reads books every evening. She reads books every evening. She reads with her sister. She likes her hobby. Drawing, reading, playing games, cooking, dancing, singing songs, fishing, hiking, riding bikes. We like our hobbies. He has a hobby. He likes drawing. He draws pictures every day. He draws pictures every day. He draws with his friends. He likes his hobby. Drawing, reading, playing games, cooking, dancing, singing songs, fishing, hiking, riding bikes. We like our hobby.